Let's say after update, your PC started to misbehave. So you want to uninstall the recent update on the PC. So this is how you can do it. Just press an old shift button, then come here to this Windows icon. All right. Then restart the PC. So don't release your finger from the left shift button. Continue to hold left shift button while this PC restarts. So you can only release your finger when there's a screen that will pop up with perhaps please wait. Yeah, good. Please wait. So I can release my finger. So it's going to bring options, tools that I can work with. All right. So next is to go to troubleshoot, then to advanced options. Then look at here. This way you are going to do it. Uninstalled update. Remove recently installed quality or feature updates from Windows. All right. So uninstall latest quality, uninstall latest feature updates. Yeah. So any of the options. So if it is quality update, it come here. If it is feature, it come here. So let me click on the first one. Let's see what happens. All right. So if you are running into problems, since installing the latest quality updates, uninstalling might fix them. This won't affect your personal files, apps, or settings. So if I want to go ahead, uninstall quality updates, but I'm not doing that because this window is not misbehaving. All right. So let me try the other option. That is, yeah, this is feature. So let's look at the message the feature will bring. So if you are running into problems, it's installing the latest feature update, uninstalling might fix them. So it's similar to the last one. All right. This won't affect your personal files, but you will lose any changes you've made to apps and settings since your most recent update. Yeah, like that. Similar to the previous one. So that's how you go about it.